Hello, welcome. So today's topic is tiny little Google App Script web app. So this what you see in front of you is actually done using Google App Script project. And this way you can do a little thing and embed in your website. And formula or something like converting units from one to another, or collecting data in your Google Apps Google Sheet from directly from your website, like a Google Sheet or any other website. You can embed these things. So I'll show you how you can create such thing using AppScript. So now I have one Google Sheet and I have inbound AppScript project, and is this one. So what it has a Google App Script server side code, like serving one HTML page, that is index .html, and then I have one function that get number from web app. So web app is now website is this one. So it has a field, number input field. So it is actually collecting that number being entered in this field using that function. So this function. So num first element, okay, and then is number. If it is number, then actually update number. There is some formula here. Update number plus number, so it's actually addition of the same number multiplied by 2, you can say. Then it is returning. If it is not entered, the value is not entered here, then it will return a red text. You didn't input a number. Fair enough. Now the second part, get email from web app. That is this second input, this one, right? So if I don't enter here anything and submit, you didn't input email, right? That is the message. If I enter it, I will get whatever I entered in the email box, and this numerical field is just doubling whatever I have entered here, like 6, and you will get 12. Now this part is doing exactly same thing, but with email email field. It's checking whether it's empty or not. It's returning the whatever user type there. If not, then it will display red text. That's all. This whole web app is doing this part only. This is very easy and simple. It's tiny web app, you can say. And sending data is done using the submit button. Whenever we are pressing the submit button, a function is actually triggered. Send data. What is doing? Send data is this one. So it's actually getting the query selector, number input, email input, and then a result number, that update location, message location. So it has two location, like this is the one location and this is the another location. That's this two field. And then it has function on success and a number. Okay, so two function, one success number and one success email. Okay, so when that element is typed there in the input field, your result is calculated from the gas is whatever the value received here. So you will see this one, your result is calculated from the gas is 12. So the 12 is actually coming from the Google App Script. Similarly for email, this element is coming from the Google App Script. And if this is failed is like this one is failed, and this one is also fail. Okay, So in that case, this one, actually how to delete this. Okay, now I have failed both the fields. I have not entered the number, I have not entered the email. So in that case, in failure case, we have this failure number, failure email. And warning, failure number is giving red whatever the error we have in your on our Google App Script function, and on failure email is the span red text box, whatever the error we have actually in our Google App Script. So that is this one. You didn't input, this is the red. You didn't input email, this is the red one. And what else? Yeah, I think that's it. Nothing else actually. How, okay, you might ask how this one is actually getting the error or element. Okay, so this is done using this two function, Google script dot run. With failure handler, it will run this failure handler function, and with some success handler, it will run success handler function. So this is the function. This is calling the other function, and it is called when this Gmail app script function within our code.js. This is the function on the server side. So based on success or failure of this function, we are executing other two method handler. We are supplying email here for email get email from web app. We're supplying number to the get number from web app. So these two app is function is this one and this one. So hope this is clear, and thank you for watching. So this, after this, how you're going to embed, you just copy this URL, and how you're going to get the URL, you are getting from, after you deploy, you get from here, this one. Let's just deploy it. Okay, so you get this one as well from here. Copy this, done, and then you open this, you get the same thing. Then you come here and let's delete this one and double click in your Google site or site how to embed. You have to check that and simply delete this one, not required. Click here by URL, because I have URL here, insert, and now we have our tiny web app embedded in our website, ready to be used. We can publish our website and it's ready to use. Thanks for watching and hope you like the video. That's it.